Hey guys, Dalton with Jaspertronics, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at installing a lamp on this JVC DLA-RS620K. These are fairly common units. You can find these on the market everywhere. There were a lot of people who bought these units, so we're just going to do a quick video on how to install the lamp on these in case anybody's struggling, having a little bit of issues with that. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, for these units, the lamp is loaded into the back, so there's only one screw that's holding this cover in place, and the reason some of these units are done like this is because this actually makes installation way easier whenever you're dealing with the ceiling mounted unit. This is much easier to get in and out of instead of dealing with something that's overhead. So with these lamps, there are two screws that hold it in place. There's this screw right here and this screw right up here. So you're looking at these big screws. These smaller screws are part of the housing. You do not need to take those out. Alright, and then after that, they just slide right out. There's really not a whole lot to it. Once you've got the lamp out, it's just as simple as putting the new lamp in and redoing the screws. The big thing to keep track of is this plug right here. It can be a little wonky to kind of line up. You might need to kind of jiggle it around a little bit, but it should see. There's not really a whole lot to these units. It's pretty easy to get these lamps installed. But again, some people might have a little bit of issues, and that's okay, and that's why we got the video. So if you guys have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and if you have any issues or maybe your unit's kicking out some error codes or something, definitely leave us a comment. We can see what we can do to help you. So thanks again, guys, and have a good one.